So back in the main page, the next chapter is blueberry miso crumb cake. So let's see. This pie really looks delicious. Okay, so let's talk about how you can change your icons right here. So when you click on this, you have three options right here. The emojis, the ones that you have on your phone, and all of that. You can use this, there's nothing wrong. They are really, really nice emojis. And if you want to get a little bit more specific, you can upload an image, and they also give you the recommended size 280 by 280 pixel, and like I said earlier, the maximum size per file is 5 MB. So if you have an image link, you can put up there. And my personal favorite is flat icons. So let's see this. It has everything you could think of. So let's see. So since this is a blueberry miso crumb cake, so let's check for pies. Like honestly, this is a pie, right? So let's check for pies or cake, whichever one. Pie. You have the pie chart, you have a really nice tasty pie, and there are a few different formats here as well. You have the slice cut over here, like that's really nice, really detailed. And let's see. Okay, I'm gonna opt for this, even though it's quite similar. But the thing that I want to show you is this is one image that you can use. It has outlines. This one is not. I personally like to use the one without outline. I think it looks much nicer. Or if you want a just outline with no color, you can do that as well. This looks like a lime. I don't know what that is doing here, but I'm assuming it's a slice of pie. So back to this, the one which is without the outline, the one which basically has color. Any icon that you search for um, that has color, you can change the color in here. Like just hover over it to show you the color that you pointed out to, like that. Like if you want this uh, maroon purpley kind of color, just hover over it, and there you have it. Like you can just, that maroon purpley color just turn blue. Like you can change the colors, or you can do multiple sorts of things. you know you can download as PNG. I usually like SVG so that it automatically resizes to the size that they want. And yeah, there's EPS, CSS, all that fun sort. Yeah, there's multiple things here. You can just come in here, type whatever you want on here, and you can do that. It's pretty cool thing. And if you are a baker, this is really nice. Like it has steps and everything. If you want to add another step, just hit enter and write step 7 and hover over this so that you get the previous formatting. It is heading 3, so obviously this would be heading 3 as well, so that it looks perfect and really nice. So there we have it. Step 6, step 7 looks almost the same. It is the same, right? So it's really that simple. Now you can just hit enter and type enjoy. Really nice. And if you want to add an emoji right here, just right click emoji, and then you can type in here so that you get the emoji. Like let's do this, let's do that, yeah, and hit spacebar so that the emoji comes out and it's like an actual kind of an image, but it's actually an emoji. That looks really super cute. What do you guys think?